studying in 3rd standard. Hi friends, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. National symbols are chosen to reflect the Indian culture and beliefs and also the positive attributes. We, the students of class 3, bring before you our drawings of the various Indian national symbols. We hope you would like them.
Hi friends, I am Momo from class 3rd. Now I am going to talk about our national flag. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. It has 3 horizontal bands in saffron, white and green. It is also called the tricolor.
Good morning, I am Devin from class 3A. This is peacock, our national bird. It has so many colors on that. It is a very beautiful bird. I like peacock very much. Thank you.
Our national bird. It is most beautiful bird on the earth. It has varying colors that make it different from other birds.
Hockey is a national game of India. It is a fast game played in 2 teams.
Mango is the national fruit of India. It is the king of fruit. I like mango very much.
Peacock is our national bird. Peacock has beautiful feathers. I like peacocks because they have colorful feathers.
We all see our national flag. It is a tricolor. It has a navy blue chakra at the center.
The national flag was adopted on July 22nd, 1947. The national flag, symbol of freedom and unity for the country. Mango is the most cultivated fruit in the world. Mango is a juicy fruit rich with source of vitamin A, C and D. In India, there are 100 varieties of mangoes.
Hello everyone. My name is Arvi Kedensons. I have drawn a peacock. Peacock is the most beautiful bird on the earth. Its feathers and graceful necks crest on its head make it mesmerizing.
Mango is national fruit of India. It is my favorite fruit.
One of the national symbol is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It has huge tail and colorful feathers.
The national flag was adopted on 22nd July 1947, a few days before the independence of India. The Indian national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah.
The Indian national flag is rectangular and consists of tricolor. They are saffron, white, green.
My name is Sakshi Shetty. I am studying 3rd standard. Mango is our national fruit. Mango contains vitamin A, C, D, which we are called mango king of fruit. Mango fall fruit in summer season. Thank you.
Was declared the national bird of India in 1963. Peacock symbolize grace, pride and beauty. It is large and majestic bird. Peacocks are a sign of joy for all those who see them. Thank you.
Proud of being an Indian. Vande Mataram.
This is a national flag. The flag is rectangle. We should give most respect to our national flag.
Is a very beautiful and colorful bird. It was declared as the national bird of India in 1963. Peacocks are very active and alert in their nature. Thank you.
My name is Riddhi Acharya. I am studying in 3rd. Mango is the national fruit of India. Mango is the king of fruit. It is very sweet.
also known tricolors or tiranga. The topmost color saffron, the middle color white, the lowermost color green. In middle there is a navy blue Ashok Chakra that has 24 spokes.
Tiger is called the national animal of India. Tiger is wild animal. It is found in forest. Mango is national fruit. Mango is tasty. Mango tree is very heavy.
Hi, I'm Anika Acharya. The national flag consists of 3 colors: saffron, white and green, with a blue chakra in between.
Mango is also called as the king of all fruit. Mango is a rich source of vitamins like A, C and D.
Lotus is the national flower of India. It was adopted as the national flower of India on 26 January 1950. It also symbolizes knowledge, as Saraswati, the goddess of learning, is seated on lotus. We must respect lotus, our national flower, and other national symbols. Thank you all.
This is a king of fruit. Thank you.
The national fruit of India. Mango is a sweet and delicious food. Mango is a king of all the food. Mangoes come in summer season. Thank you.
The Indian national flag was designed by Pingalli Venkayya. The Indian national flag has many colors which are orange, white and green.
India's national fruit is mango. Mango is the king of fruits.
Our national flag is also called the tricolor. The national flag symbolizes pride for our country's land and its unity in diversity.
Hi everybody, my name is Senoria. Happy Independence Day to all. I love my India. I am proud to be Indian. Jai Hind.
National flag is a symbol of freedom and national pride. Our national flag is of tricolors with saffron, white and green, including Ashoka Chakra in the middle. These 3 colors stands for peace, purity and power. Happy Independence Day.
Saffron color indicates strength and courage. White color indicates peace and truth. Green color indicates fertility and growth.
It is national symbol of India. Thank you. Hockey is the national sports of India. Each team consists of 11 players. Indian men's hockey team wins bronze at 2021 Olympics. Jai Hind.
Occasion of Independence Day, I had drawn a national flag. It has 3 colors: saffron, white, green, and Ashoka Chakra is in the middle of the flag.
The national flag of India is a symbol of honor, patriotism and freedom for the country. It is a national fruit of India. It is a king of all fruits. It grows only summer season. Thank you.
Peacock is our national bird. It dances happily when sees cloud. It has colorful and beautiful long feather. I love peacock very much. Thank you.
Very beautiful bird. Its neck is long. Peacock look attractive due to their colorful feathers. Peacock dances in the start of the wind. It welcomes the wind. It is the most beautiful bird on earth. Thank you.
Our national flag. The national flag of India is made of 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Jai Hind.
Mango is our national fruit. Mango is a king of fruit. I like to eat mangoes. Thank you. Hello everyone. Peacock is one of the most beautiful bird on the earth. The peacock is the symbol of grace, love and joy.
Don't hurt peacock. Save our national bird. Thank you.
An Indian citizen, I am extremely proud of my country. Respecting the flag means respecting the country. Jai